Hey followers, so here's I guess another update on this RH built fishrite with a 40 horse Merc, and I've got that 6 horse Tohatsu. Damn, I'm approaching 50 hours in that thing already, just on 2 trips here. We're at Pueblo Reservoir. We're camped out for Memorial Day weekend. Alone right now, but let you know that my last video showed that this thing was porpoising a lot with that 40. Well, I installed a Davis whale tail on there. I moved it up about 4 inches per what the instructions said. I also installed a smart craft gauge, and I picked this up from a guy in South Carolina on Craigslist. I paid him $30 for it, and then I sent it off to Gauge Savers out there in Florida. Actually, I got 2 gauges. Sent it out to Gauge Savers. He fixed one and he kept the other one as payment. This thing works pretty sweet. You can see I've got it recessed in there so it doesn't get dinged up or whatnot. Moved my fish finder down there so it's kind of out of the way. The last video showed I couldn't hold speed with this thing. Well, wow, what a difference that whale tail made. Stainless prop on here, 11-inch pitch. I can give you a demonstration. The gauge is actually really responsive. Now it's coming up, and she's leveled out already. Nice and flat. I've hit a top speed of 26.5 with the awning out. Without the awning out, with the awning down, I'll do 28. Pole anchor pretty much saved my life last night. We had a storm, 2 storms come in, and I tried coming in between the 2 storms, and I got caught with the front of the second one. I did end up taking quite a bit of water over the stern. First time I've had water in my bilge. Kind of I'm wishing for a 25-inch transom now, but it is what it is. Still loving the boat. I'm getting a lot of questions asked at the ramps here. They've never seen anything like this out here in Colorado. Throwing it up on beach and rocks, not worried. Decks have been bloodied many times. The Tohatsu, that thing's been great. It vibrates, yeah, noise, yeah, but I'm catching tons of walleye, smallmouth. Caught my first carp yesterday. Hopefully this helps someone out. That whale tail there made a huge difference. Again, this is on that Mercury 40. Oh, I did want to let you know that the smart craft did give me troll control, but because I have a kicker, don't really use it. I like the RPM display. If you want to get the gauge with a smart craft connector, get the Thuria ones if you want. They're a lot cheaper and it'll do the same thing. Okay, see you later.